Welcome back. Now we need to fully protect the payment page. We should only display the Pay Now button if there is something to pay for. If there are products that the user wants to buy and the user did not pay for yet. And here we have total payment is 0 and still it displays here Pay Now, and this is a problem. To fix this problem, here we check the session total if it's set. However, this is not enough. We need to say here, and if the session total is not equal to nothing, is not equal actually to 0, because if it's equal to 0, it means that there is nothing. So this now, if I save and refresh, the button will be hidden. You can display another message. You can say here if, and you can say else. You can, for example, here say else here, and then curly bracket, and then here PHP, and then curly bracket, and then in between you can here say P, and then P, you did not, you don't have anything, you don't have an order, or your cart is empty, whatever message you want to display. For example, here it's going to say total payment 0, and here you can say you don't have an order. You can do this. You can display this message as well. You don't have an order, or order is 0. You can display that it's 0. You can also here say and is session total, and this is going to display the total payment only if there's something. Else it's going to hide it. Else it's going to hide it. So it's up to you whether you want to do this or not. It's up to you. But I'm just going to keep it simple here. I'm going to display 0 so that the user knows that there's nothing to pay for. So here I'm just going to say total payment 0, you have no order. Pretty simple. And in case the user comes from another page, for example, let me go to my account and let me log in. So let me log in, and here let me, for example, click on order that has not been paid. For example, this one, I'm going to click on it. Here it's going to say pay now, but the pay now button is not activated yet. So we need to activate this. In the details, in the order details, we need to take the user to the payment page from here. So from here, we need to say if order status is not is equal to not paid, then we can display this button, and then we need to say here, we need to take the user to the payment page, and to do this, we can say here form, and then method post, and action is to take the user to the payment.php. Let me save and refresh. Now if I click on details, and then here if I click on pay now, it should take me to the payment, and since I did not work on this details yet, it's not going to display anything. But later we need to take the details from here, from the order details page, because at this point we have the details, we have these. We need to take them from here to the pay now button so that the user will be able to pay for this.